How to initially log in to a M4300 switch using the Web GUI. You can access the switch through the out-of-band Ethernet service port or through any in-band Ethernet network port. By default, the switch functions as a DHCP client on both sides, out-of-band and Ethernet ports. Let's start with the out-of-band service port. Connect the cable. Done. If there's a DHCP server on your network, you can consult the DHCP leases, like me here. You can see that my switch picked up the 192.168.0.124 IP address on its service port. Going to my browser, enter 192.168.0.124. Here we are. Pushing enter, this is the login. Default admin username and blank password. The GUI is all yours. If you don't have a DHCP server on your network, then the out-of-band service port defaults on 192.168.0.239, when the in-band management VLAN IP address defaults on 169.254.100.100. Let's go with an Ethernet in-band network port this time. You can configure your computer with a static IP address. Use an IP address in the 169.254.0.0.16 subnet, such as 169.254.100.201. Now, you can connect your computer to any in-band port. They all belong to the management VLAN 1 out of the box. I'm going to my browser, entering the default IP address of the management VLAN 169.254.100.100. Here we are. Pushing enter, this is the login. The Web GUI is all yours again. Well, thanks for watching. We covered the main possibilities for accessing the Web GUI of a brand new M4300 switch out of the box, through the out-of-band port and the in-band ports, and with or without a DHCP server. Other how-to videos on M43 will help you too. See you next time.